The app is called Olight. I will post a picture of it so y'all can see what the app look like. Very easy to pair. All you have to do is go to the top right, hit the plus button, and it pairs very instant. All right, so right now we're going to click on Ostation 2. Right here, it shows you the charging. So basically, the interface of the app is identical to the interface on the hardware. We did have some that came in our invalid tray. And what I did was I put them back in so it could go through the process again, because maybe during the startup, it detected it as invalid. So I will be basically doing the charging again. And it's nice and simple. Scroll down a little bit. It says wake sensor. So you could do your wake sensor. You could pause your scheduling, and that's it. You could turn off the system if you want to turn it off. So once you hit turn off, it turns off automatically. You hit turn on and it comes on, but it charges up when it comes on. So you got to give it a 30 seconds or a minute. So there you go. Like I said, about 30 seconds to a minute so it can detect the batteries. And that's it with that. We got the 3 dots right there. 3 dots, basically you can change the name if you want to. Okay, but other than that, that's it, you guys. It's not really too much to the app. Now, something that I didn't go over too much, but I'll go over it again. So you have the screen right here, and on the screen is touch screen. So you can hit the back button right there. Once you hit back, you can go back to the screen that we just came from, or you can go to settings. Settings is basically connection. That's how you connect it. And then you got screen off, and then you can pause your charging. So everything you saw on the app, you can do on here. Go back, you can power it off and on if you want to, and then click that right there. And then it shows you the charging interface right there. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. So I just wanted to show y'all the app, do a quick app overview, just to show you that, you know, if you don't want to go all the way downstairs or wherever your battery charger station is, maybe it's all the way upstairs, all the way downstairs, or maybe you're just home and you want to see if your batteries are charged up, then you can just look on your app and that will be it. One last thing, salute to the company that sent it out. They sent it out and said, can I do an honest review? I did an honest review, and for that, they said they will give the audience codes for the whole tower, and they have a code for the batteries. So go into the description, copy and paste, and then when you click the link, put that code in, and then you'll be good to go. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.